Hello everyone, my name is Angie. I'm the marketing specialist here at Regional Medical Center. Today I want to talk about our new and exciting holiday event called A Night of Lights. So this is a very fun and new event that we are hosting to raise funds to offset the $2 million cost for our new surgery robotic system. So what is this event and how can you get involved? It's very simple, very easy, and it's going to be so fun, especially if you have kiddos or if you're hosting a holiday party this year, or if you just want to try a new holiday tradition. This is definitely for you, and it's so easy to get involved. So we are selling luminary kits. If you don't know what a luminary is, I'll dive in and I'll show you exactly what you'll be receiving in your kit and how it'll look once you put it together. So if you purchase a kit, it's going to look just like this. It's all in a Fairway sack. Shout out to Fairway in Manchester. They donated all the sacks for us to put all these kits together. So what you will receive in the kit is supplies to put together 8 luminaries. So the first thing you'll receive are 8 paper bags. So just plain white paper bags, just like this. Then you will receive a baggie of 8 real votive candles, a big hefty bag of 8 cups of sand. So shout out to Bard Materials. They donated all the sand for these kits. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you. And then last but not least, an instructions manual, which you will find very helpful if you buy these and you're like, oh, I forgot how to do these. Everything is listed out on here. You just need to go ahead and read it, and on the back it has our social media. So if you do go ahead and like these luminaries, we would love to see pictures. So definitely tag us or send them in via one of our social media platforms. So once you buy this kit, the whole point is to light the night and light up your community on December 24th, Christmas Eve, or honestly, whenever you would like. So when you put these kits together, they're gonna be looking just like this. All it is a white paper bag, and you're gonna fold down the paper bag about 1 inch. That creates space to open up the bag, because you will be lighting a real candle. So you want to place about a cup of sand in the bottom, if you can see that, in the bottom of the bag. That helps weight the paper bag down when you set them outside on your street or on your sidewalk or on your driveway, wherever you would like. But inside there, then you'll put your real votive candle and nestle it down into the stand so it stays down there. These will last about 6 to 7 hours. So again, they are real, so make sure you keep an eye on them. But when they're done burning, also make sure you clean up your bags, especially if you're putting them on the streets around town. We don't want to be wasteful. So once you have this completed on December 24th, all you do is line up those paper bags wherever you would like and light your candles to light the night in your community. Again, you don't have to do this on Christmas Eve. However, I had heard a couple of my friends say that they were going to, line their driveway, and they told their kiddos that they were going to help Santa Claus have a path to come to their house. So that's an idea for your kiddos this year. Also, if you are hosting a holiday event, I think it would be great to light your driveway up and welcome your guests into your home. Otherwise, I think it's just a cool family tradition, maybe a tradition you can start to light the night and light these candles whenever you would like. So where can you purchase these? We have teamed up with so many businesses around the communities, whether you live in Coggan or Earlville, or if you live right here in Manchester. There's so many community businesses that are helping us sell these. We have a landing page or a main page for this event. It's regmedctr.org/lights. And you will find all of the information there. You'll find all the businesses that will be helping sell. You can also buy these online on this website. If you buy them online, you will have to pick them up at one of our clinics, or if you're right here in Manchester, you just stop into the hospital and pick it up. We have a clinic here in Manchester, and you can go to the welcome desk here in Manchester. Otherwise, we have 5 satellite clinics, so Dyersville, Edgewood, Strawberry Point, Winthrop, and Hot Kitten. If you buy them online, just stop by one of our regional family health clinics. They will know that you bought them online, and they will give you your kit, or kits if you get many. So how much does this cost? You get 8 luminaries in one kit, so one kit equals $10. So we're so excited. If you're like, you know what, I don't know if I really would light a luminary, but I want to support Regional Medical Center and the efforts they are fundraising for, you definitely can go on this website, and there is a donate button. We would gladly and lovely accept any monetary donations, and thank you in advance if you go ahead and do that. If you have any questions about this event, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact us. But we are so excited to light the night with all of you on December 24th, and we wish you a happy holidays.